Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to scan pages and create a PDF document using the Android app Adobe Scan. Here you can see on the screen I have already downloaded this app from the Play Store. So if you don't have it on your phone, you just go to Play Store and type Adobe Scan and you can install this software. After installing, you just have to click on the icon and see it has automatically started your camera and it will capture the document. You just have to keep your phone steady and it will capture the page. Now you can see it is allowing you to crop this image. Suppose I don't want the three lines at the bottom, I'll just adjust and I'll crop this image. Now I have to click on continue, but make sure before you click on continue, you just have to turn the page and then you click on continue. Now you can see it's a different page. It's again looking for the document. So it will capture automatically because it's having an option of automatic capture. So it has captured automatically. I have not clicked anywhere. Now again I will crop this and again before going for the next page, just adjust the page before the mobile phone and click on continue. So this is the third page. So this is very easy for you to create PDF file. Now if you think that this image is not clear, you want to retake this image, this shot again, just click on retake button at the bottom and it will again capture the image of that page. So you just have to hold your phone steady so that it captures properly. Now you can just crop the part which is not required. Now the next step is click on continue, and if you don't wish to capture any other image, you just very easily you just put the phone on the table and click on continue. And now at the bottom you can see it is showing 3. It means 3 pages have already been captured and I don't have any more pages. So I just click on this bottom right corner option and now it is showing 3 pages. This is the third page. You can see page 3 of 3. You just slide and see, you can check other pages. You can zoom it. It has automatically improved the color of this page. But suppose I want the original color. So at the bottom you can see there are many options given for editing. There's an option color in the same editing tab. You click on apply to all pages and click on original color, the first one. As you click on original color, this setting will be applied to all the pages because we have selected that option of all pages. Now you can just slide, you can zoom, and you can check all the pages are there. Now if you want to rename this file, you can see at the top the name is scan 26 June. I just click on this pen button and just select this text and I'll give a new name like test1. Right, so I have renamed this file. It's showing already exists, so you can rename with any other file name like test2. Now once we have done with all the editing, you just have to click on save PDF. So it is showing saving as PDF. Now it's showing uploading document cloud. It means it's uploading on the server. But if you want to store this file on your device, okay, mostly we wanted to store it on a mobile phone, what do? You have 4 options over here: share, Acrobat, comment and more. So you click on the more option with 3 dots and there's an option called copy to device. So click on copy to device. So it has been copied to the device. Now the next step is how to share this. See, you can share it from the share button here itself. If you want to share it as a link, email, or share as a copy, okay, you can click on this share. But if you want to locate this file, like in the phone, exactly at what location the file is stored, you just minimize and there's an option in your phone called file manager or file explorer. So I'm going to open file manager in my phone. Now it is showing me various options. File manager, I have to go to the internal storage option. So here I'm going to click on the folders icon. It's showing the internal storage folders. Now here you have to locate the document folder, documents. So I've located documents folder click on documents, then you have Adobe Scan folder inside, click on Adobe Scan. So it is showing all the PDFs that I've created using Adobe Scan. So test 2 is the latest PDF that I've created. So I'm just going to select this and I can either open it or I can send it to anybody. Right, I can share it using WhatsApp, Google Classroom, etc. So you have located where is your document exactly. Okay, if you want, you can share it or you can attach it in any of the software like Google Classroom, Google Mail, or any other software, whichever you want. Okay, so it's very easy. This was Adobe Scan, and if you have any query regarding this software, you just ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.